Good morning. This is the pre-market report for 7th April 2022. Now, when we look at the overnight news cycle, it's basically occupied by the Federal Reserve plus China's COVID issue. First, we look at China's COVID issue is basically accelerating and it's affecting more and more individuals plus more cities. So we will expect that to slow down global production and everything, because China is the world's hub right now for a lot of things. Then when you come to the Federal Reserve side, they released hawkish minutes on quantitative tightening, and it's nearly confirmed that in the May meeting there will be 50 basis points hike, plus that is when they're going to start the quantitative tightening with monthly caps of 60 billion on US Treasuries and 35 billion on MBS. So that is quite a fast move when we look at the caps and everything, and that is why the US markets slightly reacted. I wouldn't say they reacted much apart from the Dow Jones, sorry, not the Dow Jones, but the Nasdaq, for the basically the sector it deals with. But why I'm saying it didn't react much, I believe a lot has been priced in already, because we have been seeing this drama unfold slowly across the previous 1 to 2 months. So that all we have accounted for in the huge fall we had in stocks and the indexes. Now, coming to today's price action, we'll look at first the hourly charts before I put up the quant levels. Now, when we look at the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty, basically on the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing the 20-day moving average is sharply rising towards the 200-day moving average. This is one of the reasons I say basically as soon as we have a further decline, once the crossover happens, it will provide support for a bottom to form to head back up. And naturally, as I said yesterday, Bank Nifty held the keys, and today there's the same question. As Bank Nifty takes a turn, the Nifty shall do the same. Now, and when you drop to a 3-hour chart, it's the same pattern. The 50-day move, only the 50-day moving average is trying to come number one above the change of polarity, which is a very positive sign for the I'll say short term, but not in terms of intraday. In terms of, let's say, 1 to 2 week period, this is a very positive move if it occurs. Now, when we drop to the quant levels and everything, now on the support side, the quant levels that I find very important for today is 17,720 and 17,640 for the Nifty. It will be very important for these two to hold. 17,720 will be the first one, which will be, we will have to see how it performs. But I believe this will, even if the Nifty were to fall below 17,720, this will take out a lot of the bearish strength that is there within the trend right now. And if it were to reach 17,640, I will start comfortably, let's say, entering something like option sell positions using either weekly or monthly strikes depending on what I see there. Now, for the upside, 17,970 is the main resistance I see as of now. Then when we come to the Bank Nifty, I'll classify. This is the support that held yesterday, 37,650. So I expect us to break that in the opening itself. As we can see, SGX is indicating an 80-point drop in the Nifty. So Bank Nifty will blow that straight away. The two supports I am relying on is 37,240 and 36,800 to 36,970. Now, this one is also a very strong support, but I am relying more on this support zone, as if we were to reach there, then I will consider this to stop a lot of the bearish strength and help the index home bottom. But that can occur also at this support zone. So it will be now interesting to watch which one ends up being the rescuer for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So how I will trade today is I will first basically, yes, if you open with the gap down, as most have seen, I track it in the 2 minutes or 3 minute chart plus the 5 minutes. So I'll be, for my very quick trades, I'll be watching on the 2 minutes. Let's say if I see a pullback to the upside, I'll take a scalp for that. But if I see a decline, I will trade it till the supports which are mentioned there. And basically, yes, that is what I'm going to focus on for today on the option buy side. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to the channel.